In this video, we're going to learn how to make a box. To make a box, you need a square paper. So, our first step is to fold our paper from this point to this point. Let's fold it. Now, do the same thing to the opposite side. Open it. Now we're going to fold it from this line to this line. Open it. Do the same thing to the opposite side. Open it. Now turn it over. Then wrap your paper from this point to the middle point. Do the same process to the other three parts. After wrapping all the sides, open it. Now, from this point to this line, you're going to fold it and press on. Do the same process to the other side. But do not do this side and this side. Only we're going to do two opposite sides. So wrap it again. Do the same process to the other side. And then wrap it again to the middle line. Then press. Do the same process to the opposite side. And then press. Now turn your paper. We have in the middle a line. So put your finger inside and fold this to this side. Again, put your finger inside and wrap it to this line. Then compress it. Now, you're going to wrap this triangles inside. Wrap this point to the middle. And then wrap this to here. Side as well as wrap this until the middle. Do the same part with your finger and wrap it to the line and then squash it. Wrap this triangles. And then from this point to this point, wrap it. Our box is ready. Open it. You can put some stuffs inside. You can put your origami pieces. Or you can play games.